Are you kidding me?
I got him a nice fucking chew stick, and he's fucking jawing over my shit. What the fuck? Eat that!
Drop the stick. Get in the car. Drop it. Drop it.
And he went up there and he was coming back down towards us and he goes, run.
Thank you.
No, go further away. No, no, no.
Fuck you, more dog.
Good boy.
Oh my god, he's got him by the jaw now.